Why is long hair still the norm? Who decided that that's what beauty is? Short hair isn't just as powerful. You know what? It's even more powerful at any age. And I wanted to prove that my way. Industrial, raw, and without compromise. No perfect dresses, but something you wouldn't expect. Beauty isn't about rules. It's all about rebellion. That's why I entered the Coiffure Awards. And this is my statement. Way out of my league. And completely triggering my imposter syndrome. If I make it to the final nominees, well, you have to keep watching to find out. But before we get there, let's rewind to October 2024. Now, what are the Coiffure Awards? The Coiffure Awards are the most prestigious and exclusive hairdressing competition in the whole Netherlands. Top hairstylists from all over the country compete. It's not just about great haircuts, it's about storytelling through the hair. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. I've been playing with this idea for years. I always wanted to do this. But honestly, I was too scared. Even entry looked so polished. And then there's that whole gala thing at the end, the award show. Just thinking about it makes my stomach hurt. The concept hit me. Short hair, any age, different style. A story told in just 4 photos, but always true to my signature cuts. Signing up. Am I really doing this? Deep breath. Let's hit that button. Things got real. I needed 4 models willing to grow their hair out for 3 months and getting a haircut they didn't get to pick themselves. And they had to be available a whole weekend. Oh, and did I mention there was no budget whatsoever? I knew who I wanted, what I wanted, when I wanted it. Now it's time to contact people and see if they want it. I heard some mail came in, so let's open up the mailbox and see what's inside. Now, while we open up the mailbox, all 4 models said yes. I'm gonna introduce you to them in a second, but you need some other things for a photo shoot as well. Well, and in this envelope, there's all the official documentation to enter this.
Now it's official.
A photographer, a makeup artist, maybe a set help. We need everybody. So, let's call the photographer first. Hey Klaas, do you wanna help me out?
Wow, yes, of course I want to help out.
Nicola, who is the amazing makeup artist in the same building as I am, said yes to help me out, and my wife Kim wanted to help on set all day. It's D-Day, time to head down to the basement of our building through these creepy flappy doors. Head on to the left, and in the next area is where we shoot all the photos. This is where the magic happens. Oh, but wait! I didn't introduce the models and I didn't explain my idea to you. Let's do that first. Here's Jente. As a 20-year growing out your hair for 3 months is super annoying, but she did it. And we're gonna make her look fantastic in the photo shoot. Madelon, more than 200 kilometers in the car, so we have to make this special and something you won't expect. Mirte, a regular on the channel and on Instagram. We're gonna do a cut that's not very common for her as well. Just wait and see. And last but not least, Nicole, natural gray and so annoyed with growing out her hair. Time to chop it. Here's a little speed up version of Madelon's first snips. Just wait for the results. Next up is Jente, and while she's getting freed of all that long grown out hair, I'll explain you my idea. I have 4 models, 120s, 130s, 140s and 150s. So we can show short hair suits everybody. Every age, every cut, every style. We're gonna do a bold, super short style on Jente in a natural color. Oof, that was a big chunk of hair, and of course you have to wait for the results for a little bit longer. So next up is Mirte. Mirte has fantastic hair and a whole lot after a quick wash. We're gonna dive in with clippers. And not just dive in, we're gonna go super short and bring her into a style you've never seen on her before. See all that hair flying everywhere? But I'm not gonna tell you what we're doing just yet. It feels like a horrible tease, but I promise the wait is worth it. Here's a little in between from Madelon. Hi. Mirte. And the mess we made that day. Oh no, from Nicole we forgot to shoot any shots during the haircut, so you have to do it with this incredible after.
Wait, there's one thing we didn't address yet, and that's styling and clothing. Mirte was very nervous about this. She asked me, what do I wear? And I said, don't worry, even if you wear a garbage bag, you'd look cool.
That's actually a very good idea.
especially with no budget.
We're approaching the end of the video and you get to know if I made it to the final 10 or if I didn't. But first let's head down to the basement to shoot the photos. It was freezing cold with some small heaters. We kept it kinda okay for everybody. A first glance at the garbage bags. We tried several shots and poses, but the end results, well, they're coming in 3, 2, 1. I really tried to stay true to my working style. I wanted to show a variety of super short cuts, pink, natural, slick back, and of course that natural gray cut. I'm super happy with the outcome, but you all want to know, did I make it to the final 10 nominees?
So, I didn't make it. And you know what? That's totally okay. Because this project, it was incredible. I stepped way out of my comfort zone. I did work that I'm proud of, and I showed that short hair looks good in any age, any style, and it deserves a place in the spotlight. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Am I stopping here? Hell no. To everybody who supported me, the models, photographer, makeup artist, my lovely wife, thank you all. On to the next one.